Hello. Today we are going to train your English voice with the present continuous tense. We use the present continuous tense for an ongoing action that is happening now, and the action has not ended. Okay? So it is ongoing, it is continuous. For affirmative present continuous tense sentences, we have a look at the subject. If it is I, we use the word am. If the subject is she, he, or it, third person, we use is. If the subject is you, we, or they, we say are. That is what makes it the present tense. We then add the verb plus ing. That ing makes the verb continuous. That is how we get the present continuous tense. So let's have a look at an example. She is the subject, so I know that I have to have the word is to make it the present tense, and I added ing to the verb talk to make it talking. She is talking. So this is a present continuous tense sentence in the affirmative. Next, negative present continuous tense. The subject stays the same, but now we add the word not before the verb with ing. That word not makes it a negative sentence. So let's look at an example. He isn't swimming today. He is the subject, so we have is, and we know that we have to add not. Is plus not together forms isn't. And we still added our ing onto the verb. Okay? He isn't swimming today. It is a present continuous tense in the negative form. Next, the interrogative, which is a question. So now we start it with am, is, or are, depending on the subject, plus the verb plus ing, and of course a question mark. For example, is she climbing the tree? We started it with is because our subject is she. We still added the ing to the verb, climbing. This is a question, so it is the present continuous tense in the interrogative form. Lastly, have a look at some examples. Number 1, I am talking. Subject is I, so we use am, and we added ing onto the verb talk. 2, we aren't traveling. That is in the negative form. Are, not, aren't. 3, the interrogative form. Are you listening? We started the question with are because the subject is you, and we added ing to the verb listen to form listening. Excellent job with the present continuous tense. Goodbye.